Good morning, students. Let's come to the next exercise. Exercise 5th B. Topic is application of exponent. Now, in this exercise, what we will do, sometime we have to work with the large number. Consider the following examples. That is, the first example is the speed of the light in a vacuum is approximately this number meter per second, and the distance from Jupiter to Sun is about this kilometer. The area of the Pacific Ocean is approximately this kilometer square. Now, how we will read these numbers are too much big and it is very difficult to understand and even understand or read. Then what we will do, we will write these number like a into 10 raised to power n. Very large number are oftenly written as a number between 1 to 10 multiply by the 10 of the power. That is same as it is. How we will write these large number in this way? What is the logic? That logic is a into 10 raised to power n, where 10 is an integer, but one condition for a, that is the a is always lies between 1 to 10. That means the a जो होना चाहिए वो 1 से इक्वल या 1 से बड़ा बट 10 से हमेशा छोटा होना चाहिए. अगर इससे बड़ा होगा तो उसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Let us start. Firstly, how that from example this one we will start. How we will write these number in a that form is called a standard form. Understand? Now from first example, how many zero will come after 3? That is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 0. How we will write these numbers? We will write these number like that. 1 into how many zero will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. In a standard form, all the multiple of 10. How we will write these number in exponent? 3 into, now how many zero will come? That is on a 10 raised to power में लिखेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 0 will come. Now compare these. A is lies between, condition is that a is always lies between 1 to 10. This satisfy this condition, and that is a 10 raised to power n is an integer. That is the same. We will express this number in a standard form like that. Understand? Now let's come to the second one is a 778. How many zero will come? 6 0. Now how we will write these number? 778 6 0 will come. Now firstly, how we will write? That is a 778 as it is multiplication of how many zero will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now compare this. How compare with this? We will write like 10 raised to power how many zero will come? That is equal to 10 raised to power 6 हो जाएगा. But one condition is that a is always lies between 1 to 10. Now we will see that a satisfy this condition. मतलब a is lies between 1 to 10. No, a is greater than from 10. But how we will make these number to how to satisfy this number, this equation? What we will do, in every method, what we will do, if there is any large number from 10, then how we will write? We will put a decimal after one digit. Understand? We will check from here. We will write that number. We suppose that decimal is here. From back side we will start. That decimal is here. We want decimal here. We want to move that decimal here. How we will move? After how many places it will move? Start from here. That is a 1 place. That is a 2 place. Now it will move after 2 places, and then what we will do? We will multiply. We will write like that and multiply by 100 into this number is as it is. How many zero will come? That is a 6. Now how we will write this in an exponent form? That is a 7.78 is as it is into 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 0 will come. Now compare this with this. Now that is a is always lies between 1 to 10. This number is the smallest from 10. That means this is the standard form of that number. again I repeat that if a is a greater than from 10 na, then what we will do, we put a one decimal, we will put a decimal after one digit and we will start from the last number. We will see that after how many places decimal move here, that is a 2 places, that means multiply by 100. If after one place it will move, that means multiply by 10. Now how we will write this number in a standard form? Firstly we will write this number in the multiplication of 10, that is equal to 1653884 into how many 0 will come? 3. Now this number is too much big, we want a decimal here. We will start from last, that number is this one na. Now to make this number is smallest, we will put a decimal here. Suppose the decimal is here, we want decimal here. Now we move this decimal, we will see that after how many places it will move and put here, that is on a 1 2 3 4 5 places. That means we will multiply these number by 50. Understand? Now what we will do, 1.65384 into how many 0? It's a 50 into this 0 as it is. Then now we will write these number in a that form. This number is also too much small, that is a 1 point something. So now how many 0 will come? 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0 will come, that is a standard form. We will start this in this class. You all are know about, in this class only we will discuss how to express large number in a standard form. Next class in next class we will do a smallest number, how to express smallest number in a standard form. Now let's come to the next example. First is this number 320. How we will write this number in a that form? Firstly, this is the multiple of 10, we will write like 32 into 10. Now this number is also too much big, we will put decimal here. Now we'll take a decimal here. Because why we will take decimal here, that is because this is a separate, and now we will start from here. Now after how many places it will come, that is a 2 places. That means the 3 into 2 multiplied by 10 into 10 first of all as it is, that means that is equal to 3.2 into 10 raised to power 2. Understand? Now similarly 5000 is here. Firstly we will write 5 into how many 0 will come? 1000. This satisfies, simple, this is a 5 into 1000. Now we will write this number is a how many 0 will come? 3 0 will come. Now this is a satisfy this condition, a is lies between 1 to 10, simply that is satisfied. This number, now what we will do, how many 0 will come? That is a 3, but this number is a large, we will put decimal here, that is after 1 places it will move, that means we will write this in a 10 raised to power 4. Similarly same as it is, these all are the examples same. This both we already done. Understand? Now you have to solve this exercise and revision exercise on your fair copy. Understand?